Welcome, Namaskar. Welcome to the video where we discuss the Ashtanga Yoga. Finally, we have reached the last limb, Ashtanga Yoga's last limb, Samadhi. So happy, right? We have just started a few months back in Yama rules. I know how much you had followed, but I am following everything, and so nice. And reach the Samadhi, at least in the scripture, and with the grace of the master in between also during the meditations. So here we discuss first Tirumula's Tirumandiram Samadhi chapter. Okay, as usual, Tirumular is a shloka, Tirumandiram is a shloka, where is nice poetic form, very nicely it's explained, and Yoga Sutra, Patanjali, in one shloka he describes. But in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, the Samadhi is described in various other places. So I thought I'll cover that also. Types of Samadhi and all is covered. So let us start with the Tirumula's 13 shlokas. Samadhi இயமாதியிர் தான் சொல்லக் கூடும் சமாதி இயமாதியிர் தானெட்டு சித்தி சமாதி இயமாதியில் தங்கினார்க்கன்றே சமாதி இயமாதி தலைப்படும் தானே. Beautiful. So what he says, Samadhi Iyamadi is the Yama, what we started, the starting and ending is Samadhi. So finally the shloka says there are no shortcuts, there are no fast foods. You have to follow all the line, all the from the Yama till Samadhi. You have to follow. Samadhi is the end of the path, starting from the Yama. Then he says second line, Samadhi Yamadir Tan Ettu Siddhi. Then the 8 limbs, 8 siddhis comes when you follow this path. So he is telling, before starting of Samadhi, he is telling what all you get. Samadhi Yamadir Tanginar Kandre. People who stay established, focused in this path of Samadhi to Yama to Samadhi, then Samadhi, Yamadhi, Talaipadum Dhane. Then you establish the last limb of Samadhi is attainable. So the crux is what? You follow all the things. Right? Then you get Samadhi. The next shloka 619, third chapter, third Tandiram. Vinduvum Nadamum Meruvil Ungidir Sandhilana Samadhiyir Kudidum. So in the previous chapters, if you remember Dharana Dhyana, first he says you see the form, the light, and then he says you hear the sound, Nadam, right? So now he says you mix when both Bindu Nadam, the form, the light, and the sound combine in the Meru, the Sahasrara, when it gets established. Sandhi illana Samadhir Kudidam. Sandhi means in their union, Samadhi happens. Andamillada Arivin Arampurul. Ant means end. So Arivin Arampurul, there is no end to that knowledge. The source of that, the Arampurul, the Shiva, the consciousness, which is the source of all the light and all the forms and all the sounds. Then you see him. The beautiful light will manifest, you can adore, you can see. Sundara Sodiyum Thondridum Dani. Sundara Sodi, beautiful form light. Vinduvum Nadamum Meruvil Ungidir Sandhi Illanungidir Sandhil. And the Sandhi of Vindu and Nada Samadhir Kudidum. Andamillada Arivin Arumpurul. Andamillada, which is beyond knowledge, which is there is no end. You start seeing Sundara Sodiyam Thondridum Dhani. Beautifully just says what all happens. In few next slokas, it just like that. This is another beautiful. In before telling the sloka, in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, there is one line. Chale vate chale chittam nishchalam bhavet. Chale vate, when the prana moves, chale chittam, the mind also moves. Nishchalam, when the prana stops, mind stop. Nishchalam bhavet. Same thing, it's mentioned here. Manmanam engundu, vayuvum angundu. So he is telling the ulta. Where the mind is, where the prana, there is the prana. Manmanam engu illai, when the mind, thinking mind, manmanam, the thinking mind, where it's not there, vayuvum angillai. மண்மனத்து உள்ளே மகிழ்ந்திருப்பார்கள். Beautiful. The third line is the very crux. When instead of going out and seeing and thinking, seeing, searching for happiness out, you what to do? Man manat ulle. You find happiness within the mind, within yourself. Magilndirupar. Those who are happy within themselves, not going out. Then man manat ulle. In that, within the mind, manolayame. Manolaya is the mind without the thoughts. Chitta vritti. Nirodha, what Patanjali says, right? That state is called Manolayam, where the mind is there, but there are no thought. Just mind is just there. Beautifully captured. See the poetry also. Poetry, all ma. Manmanam engundu, vayuvum angundu. Vayu is the prana. Manmanam is the thinking mind. Manmanam engillai, vayuvum angillai. மண்மனத்து உள்ளே மகிழ்ந்திருப்பார்கள். People who are seeing happy within themselves, மண்மனத்துள்ளே, where they are find their happiness within themselves, then the mind stops, thinking mind stops. Manolayame. 620, right? Very nice. Then one more. So this 621, it's the meaning is slightly, the inner meaning is also there. So Vindalar Kubamum Vinjattu Adaviyum Kandu Unarvaga Karudi Irupargal. So for a yogi who is in Samadhi, who is in established state, how others see him, how the non-established people, the normal people, how they see the yogi. So they think like mystic woods, blooming pond, wind, alar kubam, vinjattu adaviyam, means it's all nice things in the world. Lot of nice poetically is telling. There's nice woods, there is nice pond, everything is there. Then கண்டு உணர்வாருக்கு கருதி இருப்பார்கள். So people who think outside, when they see a yogi who's just living in this world happily, normally, like he says, comparing it to a horse. There is going in a horse, going around happily, living in nice places and all. But he says, செண்டு வெளியுற செங்கு எழிறி இத்திடை கொண்டு குதிரை குசை சேரும் தாரே. See, say kusai means, kusai is the veins, lagan, where you control the horse. So using the same horse example, he says, though he is moving the horse, moving in the world with the horse, that horse is controlled. The horse is comparing now to the mind, and the prana which is moving through the kusai, the mind is controlled, and he is tied it in a place. So I hope you are getting. So what is it? This is just a beautiful poem, but the inner meaning also is that though the yogi is moving in the world like everybody in samadhi state, he still is living in the world. Kundu Gudirai Kusai. Kusai is the thing Lagan, like Serundari. So he just tied it and being in that world. Vindu Alar Kubamum Vinjattu Adaviyum Kandu Unarvaga Karidi Irupargal. Oh, he says other people think they are just moving around. But செண்டு வெளியிற செழுங்கீரி எத்திடை கொண்டு குதிரை குசை சேரும் நாரே. How a yogi lives. See, for example, when you see any established masters but living in the world, for example, Ravi Shankar Guruji, say, oh, he's living in a big house, traveling in a car, seeing so many people, celebrities, but the state of his mind, only he will know, right? Not for normal people, they can't recognize. 622, next shloka. Moola Nadi Mugattalla Kuchiyul. So again he referring to the spine, on the top of the spinal column. Nadi Mugattu Alla Kuchi. Kuchi means rod, stick. நாலு வாசல் நடுவுள் இருப்பீர்கள். நாலு வாசல், I think last Dhyana also was mentioning, where the four senses meet. நாலு வாசல். Vasal means gate, கதவு, door. Where out of the doors through the energy goes out, eyes, nose, mouth, ears. So where these four places meet, the center point where the pineal gland, lot of the higher brain centers are situated. So that's what he's mentioning in the second line. நாலு வாசல் நடுவுள் இருப்பீர்கள். So when you focus on that point where all these four meet, through the energy which is raising through the spine, you go reach the place. மேலை வாச வெளியுற கண்டபின். So now he says, till now he says reach the Agya Chakra and then the Sahasrara. Now he says மேலை வாசல், the top door, this where the crown is there, no? Then beyond that, வெளியுற, beyond that is where the actual energy consciousness he says. So what he says, focus on bringing the focus and then start seeing the external above the head. மேலை வாசல் வெளியுற கண்டபின். What happens when you do like that, when you are focused on that? Kalan varthai kanavilum illaye. Kalan is Yama, death. Varthai, the word Yama itself, not even will be there in your dreams. So you can stay as long as you want. Kalan varthai kanavilum illaye, not in the dreams also. 3623. மண்டலம் 5 வரைகளும் ஈர் 6 கொண்டிட நிற்கும் குடிகளும் ஆரென்மர். So what it means, just a background. So Mandalam 5, the manifestation, the 5 elements manifest in 12 different forms, manifest in 12 categories. So that is another chapter in Tirman, maybe we'll deal it later, it's a big thing. So but what we understand here, it just the elements, the manifestation is in different forms. Kondida nirkum kudigalum aarenmer. Aaru here represents the 6 chakras, 6, but it says its manifestation, how it's there from the manifest to the sound, like we have seen earlier, no? And each chakras has an associated sound, and each sound here he mentioned as each devas. Kudigal means people who stay there, but here represents the higher people who stay. Higher means the devas. So if you all know, just if you know, like each see Anahata chakra, there is a letter or a Sanskrit letters, how it's formed is each chakras gets activated by few sounds. Those sounds are captured and formed as letters. See Sahasrara, Muladhara chakra, then these things. So this is another big science, we'll see maybe later. He says here Kondida, that form is represented by the sound as 6 devas in these 6 different chakras. கண்டிட நிற்கும் கருத்து நடுவாக. Those who can focus on these sounds, கருத்து நடுவாக, can hold him, then they see him. Then you can see, kandu means they can see him. Undu nilavidum odum padathaye, who is present everywhere, is not present in any one particular point. Odum padathaye nilavidum is all over, then odum is all over, then you kandu, you can see. So finally he says, you focus, move through the chakras, focus on the sound, and beyond that, from the matter, from the mandalam aindu, then you see him. Very nice way of the process of samadhi, which you have seen earlier also. Okay. Now the next one, 624. பூட்டத்து மெய்யிற் பொறிப்பட்ட வாயுவை தேட்டர வன்னிலம் சேரும் படி வைத்து நாட்டத்தை மீட்டு நயனத்திருப்பாருக்கு தோட்டத்து மாம்பழம் துங்கலுமாமே. Beautiful. So first line, பூட்டத்து. பூட்டத்து means here the pulli. Like, so you see how the prana moves along the spine, up down up down. If you just imagine like the well pulley, you just keep moving up and down, no? So the prana keeps moving up and down on its either controlled or not controlled, keeps moving up and down. But when you bring the prana again to the tetara vinnilam, vinnilam, the top, serum padi vaitu, you can move it there without any distractions. Then நாட்டத்தை மீட்டு நயனத்தில். Nattam means who is looking around, going around, stop. When you stop searching, then you realize. I think I told it in the previous sloka also. When you keep on searching out, that searching is the cause of the distraction. So when you realize, oh, you don't need to search out, just search within, and even that thing stops, then what happens? Thotattu mambalam. Thota means farm. In the farm, mango trees are there. How have you seen in your farm mango trees? It will be just there. You can just pluck it. It's so easy. It's so easy to pick mangoes from farm mango trees. So thotattu mambalam tungalumami. So very easily you can just pluck it. You can just attain samadhi when you pull the prana which is going up and down, when you focus on sahasrara first, second you stop searching. Natattai meet. Nattam means when you going around searching, where is Shiva, where is Shiva. 625 sloka. Another again moving away from the world, focus. That is the main purpose of this sloka, right? Uruvari umpari sendrundu vanor. They want to know. Urumbari, so who wants to know the great form. Vanor here represents even the devas, devan people who reside in the sky. But even they, what they do, they get, their focus is on the lust. Karuvarai patri kadaindu amundu undar. So they just focus on the karuvarai, the genitals, on the world, on the lust. They be happy, they think they are happy in that thing. Karuvarai patri kadaindu amudu undar. They feel that is the thing. But aruvarai eri amudu unna matar. Aruvarai means the top. They don't go up. They are focused the down. Tiruvarai yam mana tirndavare. When they settle down in samadhi, then you attain him. So again, Same meaning. So don't get lost in the world, don't get lost in the senses, move up in life and in the energy also. ஒருவரை உம்பரி சென்றுண்ட வானோர் கருவறை பற்றி கடைந்து அமுது உண்டார் அருவரை ஏறி அமுது உண்ண மாட்டார். They are generally they don't drink the nectar from the top. Next shloka 3:626. நம்பினை ஆதியை நான்மறை ஓதியை. Nambine, people whom you believe, whom you trust. Adiyai, who is the first. Nanmarai Odiyai, who knows the entire Vedas. Who Nanmarai, 4 Vedas, who recited, who knows everything. Semponnin ulle tigalgindra jodiyai. See, gold sparkles, but that sparkle is coming from where? Sempon, the gold, ulle, the inside, tigalgindra jodiyai, the sparkle of the gold. So that's what you got it, no? So who is the responsible for the sparkle of the gold? He is self-effulgent. Anbinai aaki arutti udukki poi. So again, with love and desirelessness. Again, same point is repeating in all the shlokas. When you don't go out in desirelessness, with love, when you pray to him, when you see him, then komberi kumbittu koottamittare, who worships him, then energy again to the top of the thing, kumbittu, then koottamittare, they become him. Next 3:627. I'm going a bit fast because the same thing, idea is the same, it's being told in a different forms, different views, right? So I'm just going little fast. Moolattu rechat, moolattu meladu muchattu rattadu, muchattarattadu கால் திசையிற் கலக்கின்ற சந்தியில். See, Moola, again same thing. Mooladhara, the Kundalini is in triangle shape. Kal Attu. So the prana, the apana, the downward movement, when the energy keep going down, it's going waste. When the apana loses its nature and goes up, merges with the prana, kalakindra chandil, where it meets, and then from there you move it up. Melai Pirayil, where the Pirai, the Shiva's, the third moon, that's what, no? See, they keep it here. The Melai Pirayil Netri Neer Nindru, in the Anya Chakra. So move the apana, move it up, keep moving up, then you start seeing the கோலத்தின் நின்ற கோலத்தின் நெற்றி நேர் நின்ற கோலத்தின் கோலங்கள் வெவ்வேறு கொண்டதே. So you start seeing different things when the energy keeps moving up towards the Agya Sahasrara. Moolattu rechadu muchattarattadu கால் அத்து திசையிற் கலக்கின்ற சந்தியில். கால் அத்து. So that's what. Instead of moving up and moving down, you going up. There are a lot of pranayams which moves the prana, the apana and kumbhaka you do and then move it up. Okay. Next one. 4 more shlokas for now. கற்பனை அற்று கனல் வழியே சென்று சிற்பனை எல்லாம் சிருட்டித்த பேரொளி பொற்பினை நாடி புனர்மதியோடற்று தற்பரமாக தகுந்து உன் சமாதியே, தகுந்தன் சமாதியே. Same, karpanai. Karpanai means what? Desires, thoughts, dreams. Karpanai dreams, but like here everything, all the things which pulls the mind out. Karpanai atru, without desires, without dreams. Kanal valiye, kanal is the pipe. Along the pipe when you move up, Karpanai atru kanal valiye sendru சிற்பனை எல்லாம் சிருட்டித்த பேரொளியே. So, the பேரொளி, again the great light, who has created this great world. எல்லாம் சிருட்டித்த, எல்லாம் சிருஷ்டித்த, people, that energy which has srishti, who has created this great world. பொற்பினை நாடி புனர்மதியோடற்று, those who seek him, புனர்மதியோடற்று, not interested in this world which he has only created. See, Shiva, the energy, has created this nice world, but instead of being stuck in the world, from the creator, so from the creation, move to the creator. That's what the final, the crux of this shloka. The world is so nice, it's just created by the Lord himself, but instead of the getting stuck in the creation, move to the creator. Here the creator is more nice. Right? So generally, if the painting is nice, the person who created the painting will have more talents than just the painting. Right? He is just expressing for some form of the talents in his painting, in his or her painting. But if you get stuck in the painting, you get lost. But when you stuck, oh, who is this painter? What else he can do? Then you have some intelligence. If you don't get stuck in the painting, move to the painter. Okay? Then what happened? The fourth line. Tarparamaga tagandu un samadhiye. Tarparam. I am that. Tat para. Beyond. Tat para. That beyond. You become being that. That is samadhi. The final definition of samadhi is coming here. They become him. When you start seeing the creator, you become that energy. That we'll see in further shlokas is explaining much. 3.6.29 தலைப்பட்டிருந்திட தத்துவம் கூடும், வலைப்பட்டிருந்திடும் மாது நல்லாளும், குலைப்பட்டிருந்திடும் கோபம் அகலும், துளைப்பட்டிருந்திடும் தூங்கவல்லாருக்கே. If you don't understand Tamil also, nice poem, nice poetry comes. You see the rhyming words. தலைப்பட்டிருந்திடும் தத்துவம் கூடும். So, when those who follow this path, yama to samadhi, all these things, tattvam kudum, get the knowledge, tattva, you kudum, kudum means you get it. Valaipattirundidum, valai means the net, you capture in the net, like within yours you capture, you get hold of Madhu Nallal, the Devi, the great being. Kulaipattirundidum kobam magalum, and all the kopa is anger, so all the frustrations, anger will go, will leave you. Kulaipattirundidum will perish, will go away, all the distraction. Tulaipattirundidum thungavallarukke, these are all the benefits of when you attain that state, samadhi state. 3.6.30 சோதி தனிச்சுடராய் நின்ற தேவனும், who is self-effulgent, தனிச்சுடர், he doesn't need energy from anybody. நின்ற தேவனும், everything, sun is self-effulgent, but sun is energized by some other thing, some the internal something, right? If you go very deep, தனிச்சுடராய் நின்ற தேவனும் ஆதியும் உள் நின்ற சிவனும் ஆகுமால். So when you merge in him, see, that is the definition of samadhi. Till now, dhyana, dharana, pratyahara, everything it says you do something, you focus, dharana, dhyana, you meditate, you become aware, but still the duality is still there. till the dhyana stage. So in the samadhi state, now he starts telling the last and one more shloka, you become the Shiva. So till now what you are telling, oh you see the light, you see the sound, you hear the sound, you see the light, but there is still duality. Me, I am seeing the light. But now he says samadhi is what? I am that light. I am that. So there is no difference between me and him. So that state is samadhi state. Adiyum is first. Ulnindra Sivan, the Shiva is inside you. You become Agumal, like you become that Shiva. So there is no difference. Then what happens? Adi Brahman, the Brahma, the first one who created, and Perungadal Vannan. Perungadal, Kadal means the person who is residing in the great ocean, the Vishnu, the Brahma, Vishnu, Adi Adipanindu Anburuvare. Matlab they all, because you are Shiva, the Brahma and Vishnu also come worship you. Come and bow down and cherish. Worship means it's not, there is no up or down. They just cherish. They become that. All are same finally. Right? Sodi Tanichudarai Nindra Devanum. This is the final line, the second line. Adiyum Ulnindra Sivan Agumal. So when you become that light, so there is no difference now. Adi Brahman Perungadal Vannanum. Brahma and Perungadal Vannan. Perungadal means the great ocean. Vishnu resides in the great ocean. Adi Adipanindu Anburu Are. They come down and cherish you with love. Adipanindu means it's not like they don't surrender to you. With love also. Love and surrender. Both is telling. Very nice. So now the last shloka of Samadhi. Beautiful. Very nice shloka. He says Samadhi Saivarukku Tagumpala Yogam. So when you reach the Samadhi and be there, you practice Samadhi regularly. Samadhi Saivarukku. People who stay in Samadhi for long. Tagumpala Yogam. You get lot of siddhis, which we will see in my next thing, the Tirumannular next chapter. This is the third. The fourth chapter, he talks the benefits of Attanga Yoga, the Ashtanga Yoga. And then the fifth chapter, he says, of the third Tantra, he says, the Ashtama Siddhi, the 8 Siddhis, how to get the explanation of the Siddhis, which I have not seen in any other text. So maybe I will start that after this. So Samadhi Saivarukku Tagumpala Yogam. So people who are in Samadhi, you get lot of Siddhis. But when you already reached the Shiva, the state, why you require to meditate? So this, he says, Samadhigal Vendam. Don't get lost in the siddhis, don't get lost in the thing, don't get lost in the meditation if you are already reached. Even in Ashtavakra, like in the commentary, Guruji says, there is one similar line. He says, Ashtavakra finally tells Janaka, stop meditating. Because it's not for new people. The Ashtavakra is telling the king Janaka, he is already in that final state. So not for normal people who are still in the process of going. So this is the final, like a PhD, above PhD level. Samadhigal Vendam. He says, you're already reached, why you require Samadhi? Why do you want to meditate, sit up morning, early morning, get up, go to yoga class and all? When you reach, then you stop. Samadhigal Vendam Irayudan Negir. When you are already reached, then why you Samadhi? Samadhi Tan Illai. Tan Arivarke. Tan Avanagir. Beautiful line. Tan, me, Avan, him, agir. When you become him, samadhi that itself not required. You are already there. Samadhi tanillai tan avan agir. You can keep telling this line. Tan avan agir. Tan avan agir. You merge. Samadhi tanillai tan avan agir. But still he says, the last line, Samadhi lettet siddhiyum eidume. Beautifully, is just confusing. The first line and last line he says, when you do Samadhi, you get the siddhis. But when you are already reached, why you get lost in the siddhis? You become him. Samadhi tanillai. Samadhi not required. Why all this Samadhi meditation? You are already him. Samadhi tanillai tan avan agir. Tan avan agir. I think I repeated so many times. I like this line. Tan avan agir. So nice, so nice. So we have come to the end. I am so happy again. I hope you all liked it. I am also learning a lot this, so we will continue. So next video, Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Finally, what this sloka says, the Patanjali says in one sutra, right? You become him. But we'll see the majestic of the sutra. Just in one line, he is trying to capture the entire essence. That is a sutra, right? You don't require any extra words. But then, as I said, Patanjali Maharishi talks about different types of samadhi, which is not mentioned in Tirumular. Different stages. See, samadhi also, Patanjali Maharishi gives, there are different stages of samadhi. Here in Tirumular, it just says one. Everything you just merge in. But he says that process is also in stages or different flavors. I don't feel it's, Guruji tells it's different flavors, different types, different flavors. All are same strength, same depth, but different flavors. And some are stages. So we'll see. So we'll see that. I hope you like it. What you do when you like, you tell others. Especially people who are in the path. This is not for people who are new to yoga. People who are already at least done one time meditation, at least one Sudarshan Kriya, they will really like these things.